It's time
to fire this thing up.
Hit it.
So John, what we have here is Infinity Luxury Woven Vinyl in a fish boat application.
Okay, this is actually installed, guys, to an aluminum hatch. And good deal you made it. Hi, I'm John Graviscus. This is Warren with Infinity Luxury Woven Vinyl. You've been on the program a ton of times.
I have, yeah.
Where we're at is central Missouri,
Yep.
on the Lake of the Ozarks. And it is a huge boating area.
Yes, it is.
And what boat are we in that has this Infinity installed?
So this is the Low 1610 Fish and Ski. This is a new model for them, and what they've done is replace carpet, which is traditional in aluminum boats, with our woven vinyl floor cover.
Now, aluminum boats, especially these fishing boats, are very popular kind of in the northern section of the United States and Canada. They're hugely popular.
Yep.
And traditionally, Warren, boat manufacturers would use carpet as the decking material versus vinyl. Okay, this is the first time that the boat manufacturers have kind of switched over. I think they're going to start a trend here. But what are the advantages of this material versus the carpet?
With carpet, a lot of times, especially for the consumer, what you'll see is that they'll have a lot of stain in soils, a lot of problems with mold and mildew, smells, of course, when you're bringing fish in and out of a boat. So with our woven vinyl, you get a lot of that same kind of pontoon look and desire, but within the aluminum market. So antimicrobial, stain and soil resistant, and incredibly easy to clean, but still got a nice design to it.
And today on ShipShape TV, we're going to be kind of ping-ponging back and forth between central Missouri and South Florida. And we're going to be doing a repower on our 20-foot Aquasport, Warren, which is going to be really cool. We're going to be really getting in depth on the 115. And then I want to show everybody this brand new low. We're going to spend a lot of time on it. But where we need to kind of begin is we need to acknowledge all of the fabulous companies in the marine industry that help make ShipShape TV possible.
ShipShape TV, where boat improvement lives, is made possible by the entire collection of beautiful Sunbrella fabrics. Sunbrella, the only fabric to offer both design and performance, above and below deck. By Boat Outfitters, your source for replacement hardware, custom king starboard doors, tackle centers, and more. Need it? They'll build it. Visit BoatOutfitters.com to update or customize your boat today. By Yamaha. Reliability starts here. And by the TaylorMade Group, leading marine manufacturers of original and replacement boat tops and covers, windshields, windows, and hard-to-find replacement parts, aftermarket accessories, our all-new custom T-top covers, and more. Let us help you make your boat look shipshape again.